In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply makeup to your pictures on FaceTune application. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the FaceTune application and then log into your account if necessary. You will then end up on this home page. Now in order to start editing your pictures, just go ahead and select your desired picture by tapping on the galleries icon at the top left corner. Now just select your desired photo to edit and you will be taken to the edit menu. Now from the bottom section, you can slide over to the right and select makeup, and this will start the auto detection of the face. Now you can select various types of makeup from the bottom menu, from contour, blush, eyes, lipstick and freckles. You can go ahead and edit them manually as you desire by tapping on each option and then adjust the levels using the slider. Once you're done editing, tap on the tick mark and now you can download your image by tapping on the download button at the top right corner. You can also try the looks feature by tapping on the looks option, and this will provide you with various different types of looks from pre-made makeups. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add makeup to your pictures on FaceTune. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.